What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. I sounded so not excited about that, so let's try that again. We're back with another video, and today we are going to be talking about a way to set yourself free, and we are going to set ourselves free. Oh, by the way, I don't have a positive affirmation because I'm not in my room today, so I'm sorry. But anyways, so a way that we can set ourselves free is to let go of any and all insecurities that we have. So just picture this for a moment. Picture this, you going throughout your life, being who you are at all times, not worrying about any judgments, and just acting and speaking completely from you without any fear or insecurity from others that you think might be going on. So just think about that. Because I was thinking about that and I was like, wow, that I feel free. Like, once I picture myself being myself to the fullest at all times throughout the day, not caring about what anybody thinks, what anybody says, I'm just sitting here and I'm reminiscing. I'm like, wow, that's a life I feel free from restrictions. Because when you are living your life feeling insecure, it is holding you back from being your fullest potential. It also, if you're being insecure, you're not loving yourself fully in that area where you are insecure at. It's very important to love every single crack and crevice of yourself, inside and out, to love yourself fully, literally fall in love with your own self, no matter what, unconditional love for yourself. This will set you free from having insecurities about yourself, thinking anything negative or low vibrational about yourself. Maybe thinking you're weird, awkward, not cool enough, anything like that. So love yourself to the fullest, and then you won't have any more insecurities. And once you are going throughout your day and you're being aware of yourself, and a moment hits you and you start to feel insecure, whether it be for a second or it be for minutes, however long it may be, once you notice that insecure feeling, that tense feeling that makes you kind of just want to curl up and close off into a ball, that holds you back from fully expressing yourself, notice that moment. Notice what is causing that insecurity and why is it causing you to feel insecure. And whatever it is, however it might be affecting you in that way, go over it and bring in and remind yourself to love yourself to the fullest, to accept yourself, to be compassionate towards yourself, to always speak and act from your heart, and love yourself with confidence as well. That is also another big thing, to always be confident with who you are. Own yourself. You are so unique. You are so beautiful just because you are you. Nobody else on this world is like you, so be completely you, 100% authentic. Love yourself, take ownership with confidence, and be you, boo. Be you every step of the way. So, once you start to notice that insecure feeling, go through it. It's so important to take time and space to seriously sit down in deep thought and dissect everything. Dissect what, dissect why, And then once you figure out the what and the why, then you are able to bring in positive words, positive feelings of love, reminding yourself that you love yourself, that you're always here for yourself. You'll know that you don't need to be feeling insecure whatsoever. It does not matter at all what anybody has to say or think about you. It literally does not matter. They are not you. They don't control how you act, because once you start to feel that insecure feeling, you are literally letting that insecurity, maybe it be from a person, you're letting that person hold power over you, over how you act, over how you speak, instead of claiming that power that they hold over you in being confident with yourself, taking that power back and putting it into yourself, and being yourself 100% confidently with love for yourself. And every moment that you become aware of an insecure feeling start to arise, even if it's for a second, that second that you are feeling insecure is not meaningless. That second will add up to multiple seconds if you let this second fly by. If you don't pay any attention to it, say, oh, I was just insecure for a second, so it's okay, it doesn't really matter. No, it literally matters. Because if you just turn your shoulder to that moment and you just don't care about it, you're giving that moment where you felt insecure power. And you are letting your mind think that it is okay for you to feel that. And then what's that gonna do? That's just gonna trigger more and more moments of that insecure feeling, whether that be little or large. It will end up growing into something big if you do not put a stop to it. So that's why every single moment where you feel that insecure, tense feeling, it's so crucial to take that time, take that space, and dissect the entire situation and how you are feeling, so that you can rewrite that situation right then and there, so that you will be stronger during another moment that is similar to that might have had the power to make you feel insecure. But since you went over a situation prior to that, and you worked through it, and you brought love energy and positive energy into yourself, and you told yourself, that's not okay, I want to be free, I love myself confidently, always, then another moment where that might have happened again either will be decreased or it will not happen again. You will stop any and all insecurities that you have if you keep going over each moment where you feel that, every single time that you feel it. So it takes a lot of awareness from you throughout your days. It takes a lot of self-awareness, your third eye, to always be tapping into how you're feeling, being aware of how situations make you feel, being aware of your energy and vibration levels throughout the day. You will start to gain a true sense of happiness once you are free from all of the restrictions that your insecurities cause you. Your true happiness, because you are not being restricted, you're not being held down by a bunch of ties that you put on yourself. Let's be real here, you put them on yourself. You won't be held down by those ties anymore. You're gonna literally cut every single tie, and then you're going to set yourself free, just like a hot air balloon. Literally just like a hot air balloon. You have to cut the sandbags off for it to float. You know what I'm saying? You gotta let go of all of those insecurities. Choose to focus on love for yourself. Choose to focus on loving yourself confidently as well. That is where true happiness will come from. Because now you're living out of straight love for yourself, with straight confidence. then you won't be affected by outside factors. Your energy and your vibration will be stable because nothing is going to affect you. You won't be insecure. You won't feel that you're weird or you're awkward or you're this or you're that anymore. You'll be confident, full of love for yourself. So, with that being said, I love y'all so much, and let's crush these insecurities one step at a time. You know what I'm saying? We all got this. We're in this together, baby. All right. I love y'all. Till next time.